Good morning all of you. Myself Megha Rawat, behalf of class 12 from school BLS GGIC Actually Pathshala.
As we all know that International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June since 2015. COVID-19 crisis has had a very vastly negative impact on people ranging from physical, mental, psychological. Yoga is the best medicine to reduce our stress and keep us physically and mentally healthy.
I want to give this message to all. All of you should do yogasana and pranayam and make yourself physically and mentally healthy.